So we'll go over the full disassembly of the handlebar switches, throttle, etc., clutches, everything to basically take off the whole handlebar. And then I don't know what you're working on, but somewhere along this is what you're looking for probably. Starting off, this Torx key right down there. This is 25, Torx 25. You don't need that many keys, that many tools for it, let's say. Torx 25. This whole cover will come off, just set it aside. Then behind there are two bolts, which are still here. I took it apart partly and reassembled it, so it's a quicker video to make. These two bolts, which are a T27, you can undo them, and then the mirror goes right on the other side. There's some nice torque settings on there, you can use them if you like it, but just hand tighten it a little bit, not too crazy. Alright, down to here there's a small cover which you can pop off with a flat hand screwdriver, gives you a little bit room on the cables. Then the wonder wheel goes to the left. Wait, I will move over to the other side, makes it a little bit easier. Move this one to the left, and there's a bolt right there, which is a T15. You gotta be careful here on the other side where is the nut located, which might come off if you disassemble it. And yeah, it might fall aside, especially with reassemble it. You gotta align it, and this might be a pain in the ass to get it back, let's say. Then yeah, I got the bark busters here. If necessary, undo this bolt here, these two here, and the one at front, and you can disassemble it, obviously, you know, maybe already. Then you can slide off this whole assembly here on the left side. This part, your mirror and clutch will be off already, but you can reach till like somewhere here, and then you're stuck with the length of your cables. So you got to take off your handlebar, got to undo these 4 pieces. Small piece of advice when you reassemble it: lift the bracket up and then position the bolts a couple turns already, and then press down the bracket and tighten them all the way. If you assemble it like this, you might cross thread them really easily, and then you will be screwed. So just lift up the bracket, get these a couple turns in, and then press it down. Don't press it down and assemble it. Big chance of cross threading those. Other side, really easy. There's a small cover under the start stop switch. This small cover, which is just kept in place like so. You need to, there we go, align it nicely. Or when you disassemble it, you need to take out the screw, which is down there. It's a really small one. I don't have a Torx key which is this small, but what worked out perfectly fine was just a flathead screwdriver. It goes in perfectly fine. All right, and I want to make a short video, so I'm not gonna screw around with it. 2.5 works perfect, so just use it for that. You will be able to remove this cover and then the top part as well. And then there is the same as on the left side, just a bolt running through, but the other side is threaded, so no need to look for any nuts or whatsoever, it's threaded in. And then you can slide off the complete right side. There's only one small connection here, which is kept in place like so, no clips or whatsoever, just slides in one way. Got the opening on the top, closed part on the bottom, and it goes in like so. And then when reassembled everything, just turn the ignition, test everything, and it will work. Alright, hope to help you in under 4 minutes, so try to make it quick and easy. If any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Alright, see you.